Okay, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Una-una, hindi ko palalagpasin na hindi sagutin ang mga malisyoso, tahasang kasinungalingan at walang basehang mga akusasyon sa akin ni Bryce Hernandez. Hindi ako papayag na makaladkad ang aking pangalan sa mga pahayag na katang-isip at gawa-gawang salaysay. I have participated diligently and consistently in the Senate investigation because, like everyone, I want the truth to come out and weed out corruption in the government. Now, I am confident that I have not committed any illegal act if Mr. Hernandez truly stands by his allegation. I challenge him right now to take a lie detector test with me. Let us settle this once and for all and show the public who is telling the truth. You know. I really do not know what his evil intentions are. Siguro he wants to get even with me because I was the one who cited him in contempt at pinakulong sa Senado.
Sir, it's not true na nagpa-allocate kayo na about 335 million?
Yung sa 335 million, lahat siya nasa GAA. Everybody can choose any item from the GAA at ibintang kahit kanino senador.
So wala kayong ganung pina-allocate?
Isang malaking kasinungalingan ng mga pinagsasabi niya patungkol sa pagbabako ng mga ko. Well, yung biruan lang ni Senator Marcoleta sa akin. Well, nung sinabi niyang safe ka, alam ko naman biro niya, pero in the eyes of the public, parang it was uncalled for. That's why I resented his statement. Well, siguro kinuha lang niya yung kahapon yung pagbiro ni Senator Marcoleta sa akin. A little bit.
Anong unang alam niyo, sir? Parang napamura kayo?
Naggalit talaga ako. Talaga napamura ako. Napakasinungaling itong taong to. Because first of all, hindi ko siya kilala. And I have never met that guy. Just common sense. Do you think I will be actively participating in this investigation na nandun siya, nakilala ko siya, nagbibigay siya ng pera sa akin? That's common sense. I should have abstained from this hearing. Malakas ang loob ko dahil I did not commit any illegal act. Si District Engineer Alcantara, he even denied it. Dinenay niya yung kay Senator Joel, dinenay din niya sa akin. Oh. Sino? No. Hindi ko siya kilala. Sa Manila? Siguro I met him once, twice, but never an acquaintance.
DPWH Engineer Alcantara, sir. Do you remember that, sir, when that was taken?
I do not know. I cannot recall that event. Pero sa dami naman nagpapapicture sa akin. Hindi ko naman pwede tanggihan. Kung drug lord yan, gambling lord, malay ko naman kung drug lord yan o gambling lord. Hindi ko naman matatanggihan kung sino nagpapapicture sa akin. Remember, we are all public figures here. Yes, sasampahan ko ng kaso yan. I will have to talk to my lawyers. If he's here, he's seeking refuge in the house already. Does he want to come back here? I do not know. Well, if he's going to be invited or subpoenaed here, then I will confront him. As I mentioned earlier, lahat yan, line item yan, nasa GAA. Anybody can choose those line items at bintang sa mga senador. No. Yes, I think so. I told my staff to check it out. I really do not know kung anong intention nitong si Bryce Hernandez. Ang feeling ko lang talagang wants to get even with me because I was the one who cited him in contempt. Eh, nakita mo naman, napakasinungaling ng tao na yan. I asked him kung siya yung Marvin de Guzman, alias doon sa, ginagamit ng alias doon sa paglalaro sa casino. I-deny niya, mukha niya yun nandun. Ang laki-laki magpatalo sa casino niya. Ilang daang milyon kung magpatalo sa casino niya. Saan niya kinukuha yung pera? Oh. Kaya ako naniniwala ako, kahit siguro may ghost project itong Sims Construction, naniniwala ako na totoo lahat ng sinasabi nito eh. Na nagbibigay siya ng limpak-limpak na salapi doon sa DPWH kay Bryce Hernandez. Eh. Imagine. Well, I do not have any idea. Eh, Bulacan na, yung nakalagay doon. Ano? Anybody pwede naman choose kung pwedeng ibintang sa mga congressman, mga senador. Lahat yan nandyan, ha? Nasa GAA lahat yan. I don't know. No, it's not me. I don't know. Sa dami ng mga mayors, mga governors, mga konsehal na humihingi sa akin ng mga project, eh lahat pinaubaya ko na lang. Binibigay ko na lang sa mga staff ko para sila lang magbigay sa mga mayors. Well, your guess is as good as mine. Eh, baka nagagantihan na lang. I do not know what, as far as I'm concerned, the investigations that we are doing here in the Senate, the Canadian legislation. Yes, of course. Oh, yes. Oh, si Senator Lacson naman is a very straightforward person. He's incorruptible. Yes, si Senator Allen. Not as of this moment. Siyam. Lahat yung mga hindi bumoto. Ako, Senator Bongo, De La Rosa, Padilla, Marcos, Escudero, Villanueva, Marcoleta, and Alan Peter. Si Senator Alan, yeah. I think si Senator Marcoleta. Oh, wala pang in-offer. Hindi ko alam. Maybe. That's the yan ang prerogative ng majority. Wala ko. Siyempre, I've been with the minority since I entered the Senate in 2004. I was a member of the minority then. Si Senator Nene Pimentel pa aming minority floor leader. Siyempre, lahat yung mga leftovers ng majority binibigay sa minority. Ganun talaga. No. We will cooperate. We will cooperate with the majority. Okay. I do not have any staff named Beng Ramos since I entered the Senate. Okay? That's for sure. She's a staff of the Blue Ribbon Committee. Beng Ramos. staff siya sa Blue Ribbon Committee. She was never my staff in my office. And I never authorized her at kahit sino man. Ginamit lang siguro. I don't know what her intention was. You can check my records in the Senate. Since 2004, when I first entered the Senate, up to the present, wala akong Beng Ramos na empleyado. She's not close to me. Wait. Oh, I must admit, naging girlfriend siya ng isang staff ko. Tapos. Blue Ribbon. Yes. Oo. Gusto ko nga, i-recommend ako ng tanggalin siya rito. No. Ba't ko siya kakausapin? Siguro I will write a letter to SP Soto. Did she claim that she's my staff? Did she claim that she was my staff? Si Bryce. Okay, kita mo sinungaling ang hayop na yan. Saan ang proof niya na staff ko yung Beng Ramos? Nuno na kasinungaling yung hayop na yan. I never met that guy. Hindi ko kilala yan. I never met him. Si Henry Alcantara, according to him, he was the deputy engineer sa Manila, under division chief, under division head, during the time of my dad when he was mayor of Manila. At si Engineer Robert Bernardo, he was the city engineer of the city of Manila at that time. Well, no, it's not my acquaintance. Yung sinasabi ni Bryce na nagpupunta siya sa mga birthday parties ko. May pinakita siyang litrato kasama si Secretary Laguesma. Lahat nung inibita ko ng birthday ko, mga 60th birthday ko, inibita ko lahat yung mga cabinet members. Not only Secretary Laguesma. Siguro sumabit siya sa isang kaibigan, alam mo naman, ganun ang Pilipino, sabit-sabit. So, picture. Of course, I'm confident. Napakasinungaling yan. Kita mo. Sa investigation lang kahapon, sa Senado, lahat pointing at him, towards him. Nung in-interrogate ko siya tungkol sa mga talo niya sa casino, yung ID niya sa casino, dinideny niya. Lahat dinideny niya. Pero may record ng Blue Ribbon Committee, may record si Senator Marcoleta, yung mga losses niya sa casino. Alin? Well, sana may makulong talaga. Ako, I really want to ferret out the truth. That's why I am diligently attending the Senate hearings on the Blue Ribbon Committee. Gusto ko talaga malaman ang buong katotohanan at sino talagang main culprit. Sino talagang ang demonyong nagpasimuno nito. Maybe tomorrow kasi mag-privilege speech si Senator Ping. Maybe kasi dalawa-dalawa na. Maybe tomorrow. Hindi pa kami nagkakausap.